Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable the wireless power sharing on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do that, first we need to head to settings and then we can scroll down to find the battery and then go there. Scroll down one more time to go to power sharing, and now over here we can enable power sharing by tapping on the slider. Now we have allowed power sharing, and if we don't want to if you don't want to have it enabled anymore, then of course turn it off. Over here you have see how it works text. We can tap on it in order to see the instructions, how we should use our smartphone and the other device that we want to charge, and in order to successfully perform the power sharing method. So at first we need to place the smartphone face down on a flat surface. Then we need to place a compatible device on top of your phone, and then you will feel a short buzz when the devices connect. And finally, for the best results when charging another phone, position the devices as it is being shown on the image over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.